In front of me is Motorola Moto E7 Plus, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down, find and pick System, open Advanced, and click on Developer Options. If you cannot find Developer Mode here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock Developer Mode in Motorola Moto E7 Plus and then smoothly open them. And here, scroll down a bit. Right here you will notice automatic system updates, so unless it is active, just mark the switcher. And then updates will be applied automatically. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate automatic system updates. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.